Hi, Coach.
Hello, is this Cass?
Yep,
How are you doing?
doing good po.
Sorry, sorry for being late. I had a appointment, so hopefully let's see what the market is doing. Look at that. If you see the chart, man, that just ripped through the 61.8. Yeah, I took that trade, what I mentioned in the Asian session. That was $1,000 trade for me. In
Wow,
fact,
congrats.
yeah, it was somewhere down here somewhere. Let's see here, hold on.
So Asian session starts at 8 here in the Philippines, right?
Yep, yep. Okay, so let me see here. Let's see what we're doing here. I gotta plot the. So this is no longer in play. You may have a bigger one. So what I'm gonna do is gonna just plot this first. It's really never retraced back, so I can't really plot it. So let me plot the Asian, the London session. Okay, just got done printing this, so we are getting breaking the top here. So we have the 1.25, which is really up here. We may, how much is this? Is this? I have to make sure that I'm trading the right amount of contracts there. Let me see. I'll start off with 6. Okay, so we have a lot of, look at this, first Y. You can see the fair value gaps. They're all up, meaning we have bursts of momentum. So let's see what's going to happen here. We're breaking that right here. So here we broke it. There's the pullback we wanted. It's coming back up. In fact, what I'm going to do is going to take this. Oops. What is this? Select another. I don't have an account. Okay. Yeah.
Order filled.
So I'm going to take that. That's the pullback. There's a reversal candle. This one I will definitely get up here. And we're at the +2, yeah, +2 deviation, which is good. If we can get up there, this most likely these deviation levels will probably move up there. But it looks like that's where we're busting out right now. This is, 5 minutes left in this candle. It seems like it's gonna. Let's see if it closes above this border. That's the most important thing. We want this current bar, this current 30-minute bar, to close above the border. If we close below, there's a potential that it may start coming down. So the order I took here may be preemptive or maybe too aggressive. We have a little over 4 minutes left. But we already have the break here. We see the pullback. We have a reversal bar, so that's really a good setup.
Order submitted.
Maybe I'll just bring this up even further up here. So let's see what happens with the close of this bar. Oh, Emil, you're here, right? You here? Oh, that almost took me out. That came out of nowhere. They like doing that.
Yeah, it bounced off the fair value gap.
Ah, they had one there. I wonder
Yeah,
why
yeah.
my other fair value gap's not showing.
It's kind of tiny in fair
Ah,
value.
okay.
Yeah, it bounced right.
Man, that caused a big reaction. That's that tiny one. Yeah, they're not getting the higher highs here, so this may just,
It's ranging.
yeah. So look at this. We didn't close. Did we close above that?
Yep, we did
Yeah, we
close.
did. Okay, okay. So it's playing between these two deviation levels. Um, hmm. To create a lower low here, we create a lower high. So I want to just leave this right here. If it creates a lower low, then you know we're going to be coming down, most likely here to the 233. And if that's the case, we may have a potential that we may test the session mid here.
Yeah.
Because you can see here, we basically broke this low right here on the 30-minute bar. We just basically breached it, but look, it's trying to get up. So here, if it breaches this high here, or let's say not only breaches, but it can go higher. Let's see. That's how they like to take out traders, especially right here at the swing. A lot of people had their stops here; they got stopped out. Yeah, I got it. Algo. I have my algo here, so it lets me know. So we have a UT there, meaning what? That means that we have a up thrust. That's a possible uh, algo saying that we've reached the top and may reverse. However, I'm looking at the number of buyers here. We have a 220, which is more than these. So we are looking to go up. Let's see. See, because that 220 is the number of buyers. It's basically more than what we had here. And plus we have what we have total control right there. So yeah, that's confidence right there. That's why I added it to this. You guys don't have that, but at least you can see the price action.
Yep.
Get a higher low here. Man, look at that. They just brought that down again.
Maybe it's just a pullback, coach.
Yeah, let's see.
Yep. Pullback from
Yeah,
the
it is, right? Yeah, exactly. It's a pullback. Yeah. Yep. So I'll be adding to our group chat a video on how to plot. Do you know how to plot fib levels or retracement, Cass?
I haven't tried, coach.
Okay. And also a video there explaining how you can configure your NinjaTrader extensions to do the same thing what I do with a one click
Yeah.
instead of doing
Okay.
2 clicks. There's a configuration. I'll send that video on how to do it.
Yeah, because on my Ninja Trader, coach.
Yeah. You have to
when
plot 2 times. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one you only plot once, and it's actually pretty cool. So I'll send that. In fact, let's see if I can send it now. Probably later after this.
Later na lang, coach.
Okay.
How are you, Coach?
Hey, Emil.
How are you, Dom?
Good.
Yeah, I'm
Good.
doing good today.
Good.
I'm up 730.
Yeah. See,
It's
it's
a
nice.
slow market. Yeah,
I'd rather have this slow market, right?
yeah.
Good.
And I don't know, something, I just learned something last night about, if you know where to focus on and you wait long enough,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Of course,
It's patience.
yeah.
Don't
So
don't
I
try to
Order
entered
filled.
130. Yeah.
yeah, don't try to
Oh,
get it. Don't try to get in every signal. You have to look at the overall. So
right,
usually
yeah.
you're looking at you have the 30-minute chart in front of you. So that's really a roadmap. You're looking at the entries on the unit on the Renko chart. So that's what you do. What was I going to say? I just mentioned, I know you heard when I was talking to Cass, they'll be uploading a video there regarding the Fibonacci extensions if you guys want to use it. Again,
Okay, yeah.
I don't want to be confusing you guys because there's an art of how to plot it.
Yes, right,
You know,
right.
a lot of people plot it the wrong way, so they don't get an accurate read on the extension.
Hmm.
So that's going to explain it. So I'll create another maybe room for that. I might post it in the what's it called? Um, Discord.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Uh, uh, Coach Dom, the one here with what do you call this?
Which one?
The the indicator you're using, but you had to pay
IB?
for it.
The view app. Yeah,
The VWAP.
yeah.
Is that
That's
expensive? Is that, I'm thinking for the future, if ever. Yeah.
I'll charge you guys uh cheap. because basically
Okay.
it's a course, but since that course included one-to-one teaching, I'll
Mhm.
give you a whatchamacallit, a PDF.
Okay. Marco was
And
also thinking about it.
yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah. Yeah.
you can use it in any chart, a tick chart, a Renko chart, because it's gonna plot the same way. Why?
Mhm.
It's
Okay.
the levels are based on, they're considered dynamic, so it's really
Right. Right.
based on the volume. So it's not based on any periodic indicator. Like the moving averages, they're based on periodic what you call it. It's a periodic indicator, meaning if you look at an indicator here for the moving averages, they're based on how many bar look back, if you notice, right? It's under
Right. Yeah.
256 bar look back, and 256 bars based on a different, let's say, chart, maybe plotting differently because it's based on the number of bars. Like, for example, the Unirenko bars here are completely different than on the bars here in the 30-minute bars. That's why you have different plots of the moving average. It's not the same spot. However,
Right. Yeah.
if you use this, you'll see it plots the same exact. Here, I'll give you an example here. Let me find my other one that I use, because I have another, I trade another, yeah, here it is. I trade another strategy that I trade because I basically comes with the thing here. So anyways, here we are. Okay, so if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this one with this global with this one connected to this one. Okay, you'll see. So if okay, so we have right here the VWAP down here, right? Right here.
Okay.
Okay, so let me see here. I get this all the way up here as well. Because the VWAP is way down here. Oops, wrong one. There. So if I put the VWAP right here, look where it is, where it's plotting right now. On the right, on the right. See this? You see my cursor there?
Target filled.
Oh, somebody did good. You see
Okay.
where my cursor is
Yeah.
right now? Yeah.
Yeah.
On this pink one on the left, that's a 5-minute chart. The VWAP is right there. Look on the right. See my cursor there? Same
Yeah.
VWAP, except that's on a Unirenko chart. It plots the
Okay.
same way. If you do that on a moving average, it plots differently. That's the difference. That's why I like um the VWAP. It's indispensable too. In fact, Karen and most of my other students, they've learned, they know the VWAP. That's why they have it all the time. When Karen
Yeah.
was trading over there in STS, she was using the VWAP on one of her monitors.
Right. Right. Yeah.
So yeah, it is valuable. You just have to know how to use it, and have to know
Right.
how the
Yeah.
pattern is, right? And I have that PDF.
Yeah.
So I'll give it maybe half of what those guys paid for it, which is okay. I think okay with them since I'm not going to give you guys the one-to-one. You may ask questions, but there's going to be no
Mhm.
one-to-one sessions like what we do in class, right?
Right. So my I got a 50K Bullion Ox.
Okay.
And it seems like I'm uh back to 3,000
Okay. Good. Good. Good.
before my goal.
Good. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
which is and it ends in October 4 or 5. Okay. So well,
Well, that Bill Knox, if it expires in
yeah, they
30 days,
charge
the
they
same amount,
charge
the same amount.
yeah, they just charge you the
Yeah.
same amount. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lifetime. That's lifetime, which is
Yeah.
good.
And I have it well the that they gave. I haven't
Used it yet.
activated it yet.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's
Well,
good. I
yeah.
mean, that won't go away.
Right. So the one that they gave away, this is what I got right now. But make sure, did you already activate it or no, not yet?
No, I haven't activated
Okay.
it.
You may want
Should
to
I
activate.
activate?
Yeah, you may want to activate that because it was really a limited time.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
But once you activate it, you have 30 days because after the 30 days, they'll charge you the 50%, which is 85 some dollars.
Right, right. Yeah.
Well, no, it depends on
I
what
need to
size.
cancel it. Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, before the 30 days is up.
But I think
Now,
I think I'm good with the 50K because it gives me
yeah,
leeway
yeah,
in case I
exactly.
make a mistake.
Yeah,
You just have to wait. Yeah.
yeah. The maximum amount of micro contracts there you can trade is 6 if you're doing
Mhm.
50K. So you can
When
6
yeah,
or less, right?
when you say six, that's the
The
if it's a
contracts.
micro, if it's a
Yeah,
micro,
yeah.
okay.
I would still trade the 50K with micros.
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
But you mean you can't go above six?
No, you can, but you're gonna be kind of over leveraged.
Okay, okay.
You can. You can
So
go as much. You can use 10, 12, 14, but again, you might be over leveraged. Well, let's say you
yeah,
have a loss.
yes, right. So six is a good
Yeah,
would be a good number.
yeah.
Yeah.
And you can scale
Okay.
in. Like I said, 6 is a good number. You can
Yes.
scale in with another 6 and so forth.
Right. Yeah.
Because if that's what you're looking for, you just know when to scale in.
That's true. I really like these markets, the slow ones. Because it's not like you're wondering what happened.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
all
Well, see,
the indicators are aligned and
yeah,
suddenly,
yeah, exactly.
yeah,
And I can set and forget. That's what I did with that one that hit the $1,000 one. I did whatever I had to do. I
right.
monitored. If you have Zoom by any chance, you can Zoom, have it on your camera and on your laptop, and you can go anywhere because you have Zoom on your either your iPad or your phone, and you can just
Yeah,
monitor it
right.
wherever you go. And if you need to stop it out, they have what's it called, Rhythmic on mobile,
Yeah,
and you just sign into there. And you want to flatten out trade out, just do that, and you're done.
yeah. So,
That's what. Good.
Dom, with Apex, they don't really have much rules with the eval, right? You can just pass it. There's no consistency
Oh yeah,
with the
yeah, yeah, yeah.
eval.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
The evals. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, same with any prop firm. You can trade the evals any way you want,
Yeah. Yeah.
just to pass.
Yeah.
However, Buellnox, they require a minimum of 5 days. That's why I already passed it in one day, but I just traded for another 4 days. They require at least minimum 5 trading days. So
Yeah.
I just submitted what is that? To so I can get a certificate and pay that one too. So I'm basically accumulating now my PAs. I've traded the two PAs last, the Asian and the what are the I both the Asian. I had traded two different PAs. I hit the
Yeah.
targets there. This one I'm using the Apex one. I want to at least qualify for this one.
Marco was looking at the one of Sofeni. Sofeni's
Yeah,
he's been
yeah,
checking out the videos of Sofeni, and
yeah.
he was saying, "Oh, this guy's crazy. It's like it's micros, and then he just keeps on, adding and
Yeah,
you know,
that's what he does. He basically scalps.
but
Easy,
basically
easy.
that's how he does it. Yeah,
Yeah, that's how he feels
his
comfortable.
style. Yeah,
Yeah. That's why he just comes off what he does, he trades off the edges.
yeah, right. So
I'm
Marco
not
was saying he tried it. He
yeah,
said, but he was computing. He said it's not his style.
yeah,
So okay, whatever works,
yeah,
as he was
exactly.
saying,
Each
because Marco looks at the risk,
yeah,
ratio,
right.
to him was crazy, but
Yeah, no, it's inverted. So that's how that's scalping. Scalping,
right,
you have a high win rate, but once you hit that stop loss, it knocks all your profits out.
Mm,
So
right,
that's why
right,
you have to be careful in terms of how you manage your trade. Um, and that's very important. For me, I'm not much of a scalper.
yeah, yeah,
I'm more of a momentum and also like this. If I see an opportunity where the swing is available, this is what we call intraday swing, what I did. That's an intraday swing. So like right now, this is also part of an intraday swing because we're looking at that value up there, which is a deviation level. And
Which one? The one
right where my target, you see, that's where it lines. See this right here?
Right,
This is the
right.
1.25 extension. It's right at the +2 deviation. That's why
okay.
this is gonna be like $1,000 trade, so that's fine. Great. I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you had a question, Emil?
Well, I'm waiting for it to hit that the upper, but there's always that fear, and you want to bring it closer. You're yeah,
Okay, so that yeah,
but I always move
that's
my
natural. Yeah, yeah,
my
that's
my
natural.
cell stop. I
Yeah,
have it all the way down in that
yeah,
other,
yeah. No, that's natural. Like I said,
yeah. Okay.
sometimes, but I can see that when you're in the New York session, because sometimes they have those erratic moves that come out of nowhere, right? But
Yeah,
during this session, like the London or even the Asian, the only thing is it's just nice and slow, but it's very you can tell where it's going to go, just like when I did when the extension, because
yeah.
I know that's where it's going to go. But there's no surprise moves,
Yes, right, right.
which I like. Even though it's slow, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah,
Just get some tea, some coffee, and just watch the market.
yeah. So
I mean,
with
like
the
like I said here,
with the
you just have you have a
yeah,
profit target. You can reach it within 30 minutes if that's the case, right?
yeah.
Um, this went up to already 500. I would have hit. I would have if this was a PA, I would have been done.
Mm,
But since I'm
right.
trading an evaluation, I just want to get up to that target, the 1.25 extension. Okay, you're saying you're gonna get a
Yeah,
question?
I was talking to Marco. He was saying, Dad, I mean, because 50K is the
Yeah,
size of. He said, you shouldn't be trading four. You should be trading six. A contract of six.
yeah, it's up to you. Yeah,
Yeah, 6 or 8. He was saying.
right. Because yeah, either. But you can do four because if you want to scale in, that's the same thing.
Yeah,
Like I said, you look at Karen. She trades on a 50K. She's trading, I think, three or four. That's it.
yeah. Okay,
But she knows how to scale. She knows where to scale in.
right.
Yeah, like here, we may have a possibility that it may, come back and test that mid band, like what
Mm,
it's doing right now,
yeah,
right?
right.
Um, that's fine. Because that was what is that? That was the close of that bar. Now we have a new bar, and you can see what this next
It's
bar
red.
is
Yeah.
doing, right? Positive bar on that one closed positive. All the previous bars have been positive, so
Yes, right.
this may just be a pullback. Yeah, this is a pullback into the plus 1.25 deviation down here, right here. Back into the IB high. So it only got to here. What I'm going to do now is going to bring this down maybe. Let's see what's going to happen to there.
Where to?
To the bottom of this. This is a 1.75 deviation. Because look what it's been doing here. It's really just been going to one. It's been bouncing off that 1.75, except here.
Mm,
So we'll see how strong this momentum going past this swing level here. Oops. I have an algo here. You see this PB, that means a pullback. You see, we have a lot more sellers who came in. That's why it dropped. We have 330 is to the number of buyers, only 201. So what's it doing here is created an algo right here. It's called pullback. Um, so basically what we have, yeah, it's only one algo. I want to see numerous to be really, really strong algo. Like for example, here we only had one, so Let's test that 233. Let's see if it bounces off the IBH, the high IBI here.
Mhm.
You took your profit on that trade? Oh, did you take a trade or was that cash? I heard somebody take a profit. It must be
No,
cash.
I did. Probably it's Simil.
Ah, okay.
No, I didn't take the trade on the way down.
No, on the way up.
Yeah, I
Oh,
did.
yeah, you took a profit, right?
Yeah,
Profit, yeah. Good.
similar to what you have. You're,
Yeah.
yeah,
But yeah, I didn't take the profit. I just scaled in. I was looking at
Yeah.
that 1.25, but it's gonna get there. You see this, the deviation levels are lowering itself to the here to the get to
Mhm.
here. So
Yeah.
that's where it's gonna go, just really just a pullback. So if you're looking
It's
at this
climbing
pull,
up. Yeah.
right, it's just a pullback. So if I'm looking at this, you can do again the fibs. What I like doing is really looking where that low was. Man, no wonder. This never really had a pullback until here. Man, that was just straight up. Look at that.
Yeah.
No wonder.
Right.
No wonder. You're going to be expecting a deep pullback here
Mm.
sometime. So what we want to see here, we want to pass that mid band. Now,
Yeah.
if it, let's say it goes down there, I might just take profit there. Again, it depends on how strong the momentum is.
When you say take profit, you're gonna close out your
Yeah,
order.
yeah. But it's still being a small profit, but better than a loss. Like I said, it may go all the way down to the 233. If it does that, I'll probably put my loss right here. So not that much of a loss. See right there. If it does go all the way down to 233, then I'll take a buy. At least I don't have to risk that much. So there, we're gonna bounce off that 1 point.
So if you decide to take profit, is it better to close it or to cancel the order?
Just close it.
Yeah.
Just close it like that, yeah.
stop filled.
So it's going down there. I'm gonna take this maybe right there.
Order filled.
Okay, that's what I did. I'm gonna take this scalp here down to the 233 for 100 or maybe 150. Alleviates some of my loss. Let's see what now let's go up now.
Okay.
See, like I said, they know where I take the order. They know exactly when you click on that. Well, they have a you can see they have a fair value gap there, so it may come down.
Okay. Yeah, I closed out. Okay. But I'm still on the green. Yeah.
So we have the fair value gap to the downside. We also have the mid band on there. So I think it's going to test at 233. It's about time because it's been going up and never tested 233 yet. So I think it's due. No, they will pull back. You say this is what we're going to be bringing up. They have a pullback. I'll go right there. Let me give it some time. Yeah, we got now we're getting this. It's going to go back up. See, my timing is so impeccable.
Order filled.
So there's a signal right there to go up.
Order filled. Order submitted.
See, never trade against the trend, which I did.
Right, right.
Assuming it was going to get down to the 238, never did. It bounced off the IBH high, the IB high.
Order submitted.
And most likely he's gonna test that. That's what it's gonna be testing.
Stop. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
You know, the market usually slows down around this time, around 4:30. So probably since I started late in this session until the New York Open.
Okay. Yeah.
It's kind of really just rangy right now.
Mhm.
Okay. So see you guys later.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, coach.
Yeah, both
Okay.
of you. Well, I know Cass didn't trade. ML, you green?
No, I'm negative.
Uh,
Yeah.
Small, big.
Uh, if I get out now, then I'm back to zero.
But
Yeah,
that's better. Yeah,
for the day. Yeah.
that's good. You're better than a loss.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. See you later.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, coach.
Bye
Bye.
bye.